Guys, this is the other side of the farm. It has been raining in here. In the earlier video, I showed you the part with the goat houses. This time, this is the other side of the farm. This is the entrance gate, actually. So we planted here some bananas, as you can see. We have some plants here around the house. And we fenced this one with these plants, snake plants. This is the entrance gate there. It's been flooding in here since yesterday. Because we are situated in the lower portion of the entire property in here. So that's why there's water coming out, flowing, getting inside the farm. Okay. Yeah. That's our ipil plants. It's a good forage also for the goats. This is our small hut where visitors would chit chat. This is where we receive our visitors. Made of bamboo and coconut lumber. Okay. This is under the mango tree. Literally under the mango tree. So at the back of it is another forage area for the ipil. And we have napiers. They started to sprout now. We just cut them 2 months ago. And we keep on cutting them this way they were able to grow. So look. These are the napiers. Call them pak chong, the Thailand variety. We have plenty of this one at the other side, but unfortunately we harvested them already. Okay. So this is a good tree, and goats also eat this one. This is yet very young. Okay. The leaves, they look like a bigger version of the ipil tree. Ipil leaves. Okay. This is the portion there being covered by the mango trees and the lemoncito. This is where the goat house and goat houses were erected. This is actually the pathway going there. Oh yeah, this is the one. It's flooded also. Alright, it's Christmas. That's why we have lanterns in here. We light them up every night. Beyond the farm is a vast area of property, mostly planted with mango trees and coconuts. And the neighbors pasture their cows in here, but I don't see any cow now. Oh, there's one there. So this is beyond the fence of the farm already. So we're showing you the other side. There's a muddy portion where we pass through from the forest site going inside the farm. You see? That's where we normally stock. Very muddy. The soil is very soft. Everything soil, no rock. That's why it's hard for even the 4x4 to, get through or pass through. So our service truck now is not here in the farm, but we parked it maybe 100 meters from here, outside this vast area of property, because it could not get through, especially since it has been raining for 2 days already. All right, I think the rain stops. Could proceed with the cutting of the forest side. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.